guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie and today I'm doing a get it all done video. This is 2 days of cleaning and I was getting ready for my in-laws to come into town, so I'm starting in my office since that's the place least likely to get dirty again before they arrive. But on the second day of cleaning I was so happy because my Love Meg multi-surface spray arrived, and so definitely stick around if you want to see how that worked. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like cleaning motivation, content, homemaking, home improvement, or anything like that, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you watch Love Meg, go ahead and give this video a like.
I wasn't expecting it today, but I just saw that the mailman came and the Love Meg spray that I ordered came, and I'm just going to be completely honest. Normally, I would never spend this kind of money on cleaning products, but I knew a lot of people would be interested to see how it works and maybe couldn't order it themselves. So I just thought for fun, for the videos, I like cleaning, and I just want to see if it lives up to expectations here. I'm actually really excited to see how it smells. It is a cucumber melon scent, but she says it has a little bit of mint. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that now, and it came in the perfect timing. I was gonna clean anyways, I was gonna film anyways, and so now I can show you guys. Okay, so yeah, my initial reaction is that it is a little smaller than I thought it was, like the way it looks when she was showing it. I guess like on camera it kind of looks, I can see it looks bigger, but this seems like maybe, I guess we'll see how much water I can actually put in there. These are the concentrates. I'll take those out and show you a little closer, and then we have this here. It is a little cheap. We'll see how it sprays, but I'm excited to smell it. So I'm gonna add the water and the concentrate now. Okay, so this is the concentrate. Hopefully it's focusing. It says multi-surface cucumber melon. This is 1 ounce of the concentrate. It says pour contents of entire refill 1 ounce bottle into your reusable 16 ounce bottle. So 16 ounces. A little too much water. Close spray top and give a quick shake, and you're ready to go. And the ingredients are fragrance, polyglycerol for caprate, phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexyl glycerin, capril, and capril glucoside. So, I mean, like I said, I use Fabuloso, so I'm not terribly picky, and like I'm not gonna act like I use all natural ingredients, but I'm interested to see like what exactly those ingredients are. So I'm gonna look it up, but let's get this going here. Sniff test. Okay. Definitely smells like cleaner. Every last drop. You need every last drop of that $26. By the way, I probably shouldn't sniff cleaning solutions, but I'm curious. It does, I don't smell a cucumber. It honestly smells like straight up cleanings, but I'm definitely gonna go see how it works. I'm gonna definitely see how the smell holds up when you're actually using it. And so let's get started with that. I'm gonna go upstairs and clean in my bedroom first, and then I gotta do the guest bathroom. So I'm just gonna clean this stuff up real quick. Don't lose my liquid gold cleaner. And these are recyclable.
Needed to go ahead and start in my master bedroom and bathroom, but I did look up the ingredients, and so the first thing is fragrance. Then you have polyglycerol for caprate, which has a C rating on EWG's Guide to Healthy Cleaning due to some concern with skin allergies and irritation. But this product helps blend all ingredients into a stable and uniformly dispersed product. Then you have phenoxyethanol, which inhibits bacteria growth, and that has a B rating on EWG.com's Guide to Healthy Cleaning due to some concern with developmental and reproductive toxicity. Ethyl hexyl glycerin has a C rating on EWG.com for some concern with asthma and respiratory issues and skin allergies and irritation. And it inhibits the growth and multiplication of odor-causing bacteria. And finally, you have capril glucoside, which is an all-natural vegetable source surfactant. It's a mild cleanser and has a low risk on EWG.com. So overall, I mean, It's definitely not vinegar and water. It does have some of those risk factors, and when I was using it, actually, it does have a very, very strong scent. If you're someone who's very sensitive to cleaning products and have asthma, I actually felt like I had smoked like a menthol cigarette. I could feel it in my lungs. I could, like, for hours after, actually. It felt almost too like when you brush your teeth with those toothpaste that last all day. Like, it had that kind of effect. And so I think that's where that mint comes in. It does have like a sweet mint scent, but the mint is definitely the most noticeable and strongest scent that you get right when you spray the product. And then once I had like left the room and came back later, I really actually did notice that it did smell like cucumber melon. And I was like, okay, I guess I smell it now. And it was really nice once it dried and kind of calmed down and it wasn't so harsh. The scent was nice. And my husband said the same thing. At first he didn't quite like it, but then after it kind of dried and settled a little bit, he said that he did like the way it smelled.
Okay, so I was cleaning in my bathroom and looked over at the mirror and you could totally see it. Yeah, it is pretty streaky. You can kind of see it if I move around. So, I'm not sure how well it works on glass. It did leave my furniture looking really nice. A lot of this is just wear, but there's no like residue left over. And it looks really clean. I don't know, we'll see. My husband says it smells like bug spray.
overall, I think the product was okay. It did have a good scent. It was a little harsh. It wasn't great on the mirrors and the glass, but I did like the way it smelled. So I think definitely for maybe like a wipe down of the counters and stuff like that, I would keep it. However, at $26 for 3 bottles, it is a little steep. That averages out to about $8.67 per bottle. And actually, I think that I would add more water and kind of dilute it a little more because, as I said, it is very strong. But yeah, I don't know if I'd buy it again, but I do like the scent. But anyways, this was the end of the video. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!